busting.
Silly supplements. Nutritional supplements. We see them everywhere now, don't we? Even in the supermarkets. It used to be years ago, we used to go to a health food shop where there was bottles and bottles of all these different nutritional supplements. Usually it's just a bundle of chemicals smashed together to give you some sort of health benefit. How about we go to the health food shop, which is the greengrocer, where they sell apples and pears and bananas and carrots and peas and broccoli, all food that is grown which is healthy. Real food into the body. My rule of thumb is if it comes out of a packet, it's probably not that great for you. If it comes out the ground, that's the thing that you want to be putting into your body. I don't take nutritional supplements. I feel fine. I don't feel the need to be eating some chemical compound that is going to make me faster, make me stronger, make me bigger. Look at what you're eating first. Funny, folding. Why do I say folding? Well, you might have been to an exercise class and come out exhausted. Your back's aching, your muscles, you can feel like you've had a good workout. And you might even think that you've done 5 exercises, 10 exercises, 20 exercises, when in fact you've done 1 exercise. Imagine a squat up and down. Imagine a sit-up. Imagine a jump up onto a step. Imagine a lunge. Think about them times you were down in a prone position doing squat thrusts. And then you were back on your back again doing crunches. I've just demonstrated 6, I think that was 6, 5, 6 maybe, 5 or 6 exercises. They're all exactly the same. They're all working on hip movement. We move in what we would call a sagittal motion, forwards and backwards, and we bending at the hips. So it's the same forward and back movement at the hips. Forward and backwards, movement at the hips, forward and back, you get the idea, okay? Just like you would do with your laptop. You would fold it, and you're just folding your body. When you come out of the class tired, exhausted, feel you've had a good workout, just have a think. Have you actually done different exercises, or have they just got different names? What we need to look at is the biomechanical movement of the body. Let's move away from folding and let's get moving our body into the different ranges of motion and the different directions our body can actually go. Ridiculous. Rep counting? Rep counting. Have you been told to do 8 repetitions of an exercise? Maybe 10 repetitions of an exercise? Maybe 15 repetitions of an exercise? But what's the difference between 8 repetitions and 15 repetitions? Well, what if I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Or I went 15, 14, 13, 12. See the difference? If you count repetitions, your counting of 8 repetitions could be fast, your counting of 15 repetitions could be slow. You could do it the other way around. You could do 15 and count really fast and count 8 really slow. So actually the number 8 could be taking you longer to do an exercise than actually the 15, which is a higher number. Time is measurable, just like our 10 kilos. So if we've got a 10 kilo weight and we did 20 seconds of an exercise, and then we did 30 seconds of an exercise, we know that 30 seconds is going to be longer than 20 seconds because it is measurable. You should look at the weights that you're picking up because we can measure that, 8 kilos, 10 kilos, 12 kilos, but then we should then look at the time under tension our muscles are going through. When you're next working out, rather than counting your repetitions, use a stopwatch, go for time. Set your phone to a 20-minute timer, 20-minute, that'd be even a longer exercise workout. Set your phone to a 20-second timer or a 30-second timer and so on, and work out to the time slot. That is measurable. That's what we should be looking at. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the like button. If you didn't, double click the dislike button. And please subscribe to this channel and you'll get more myths being shattered within the fitness industry.